Welcome to Galaxy Unpacked 2023.
The Galaxy S23 Ultra is as iconic and striking as ever. And this year, the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus take cues from this groundbreaking design, creating a cohesive look and feel across the series. The Galaxy S23 Ultra can capture epic details with professional-grade quality. It's the most advanced camera ever on a Galaxy device.
With Super HDR, you can capture a wider range of light and dark tones in your videos with more accurate colors. The cameras combine readings from both low and high ISO to produce high-quality images with a wider 12-bit dynamic range spectrum of colors, allowing us to bring 4K Super HDR technology at 60 frames per second to both the rear and front cameras for the very first time. With this model's processor, you can now film in 8K at 30 frames per second with a wider angle for a more cinematic feel. We've also enhanced the camera to absorb 2.5 times more light than before, giving you brighter footage. The Galaxy S23 Ultra packs 200 million pixels in the main wide camera. When lighting is low, 16 pixels combine into one larger pixel to capture more light, resulting in brighter photos. In standard lighting conditions, the pixels combine into groups of 4 through our new tetrasquaring process, resulting in higher quality 50 megapixel images.
To bring the shots they envisioned to life, Pro Video Mode gave our directors the ability to meticulously change their camera settings for focus, white balance, ISO, and more. And with Clean Preview, they were able to remove the UX when monitoring takes, which means they could frame every shot with ease. This is a new feature added to Camera Assistant, our app that allows you to choose and adjust a range of camera settings, from activating faster shutter to auto lens switching. Astro Hyperlapse allows everyday users to capture the starry night sky with professional quality. And with Expert RAW, users can get detailed metadata for more creative control. We're also introducing multiple exposures and astrophoto to Expert RAW.
The Galaxy S23 Ultra delivers pro-grade camera experiences that let you capture life as you see it. We introduced Nightography last year to help you take crisp and clear photos in low light. And this year, we're taking that power to the next level, so you can capture striking footage with vivid colors even at night.
The Galaxy S23 Ultra takes the innovation of Nightography to the next level. On the Galaxy S23 Ultra, we've doubled OIS's capabilities to increase the area in which motion can be offset. This OIS hardware works alongside adaptive VDIS to analyze and subdivide your movements and to recognize light conditions around you. A dedicated new image processing algorithm separates noise and details by performing multi-frame processing with AI, which combines multiple images across frames to reduce noise. The Galaxy S23 series uses an enhanced solution to reduce overexposure and color saturation in your videos. With our improved night solution, the image sensors on the Galaxy S23 series work to minimize visual noise. And an AI-powered ISP algorithm enhances object details and color tone. This makes snapping a photo at night easier. And for portraits, AI Stereo Depth Map is able to detect individual objects. It can even separate a person's glasses from the background of your photo.
The Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus bring you a 50 megapixel wide camera. And the Galaxy S23 Ultra provides our highest resolution, with a 200 megapixel camera. Powered by a revolutionary image sensor, you can enjoy a groundbreaking professional camera experience.
The Galaxy S23 series has powerful battery while maintaining the smartphone's compact form. The Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus have 3,900 milliamps and 4,700 milliamps, respectively. And for the S23 Ultra, we've maintained the 5,000 milliamp battery without increasing the device's size, even with the larger camera. So you can game or stream music and videos for even longer. We've worked closely with our partners at Qualcomm to optimize the Galaxy experience with the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. It's the most powerful and efficient platform ever in a Galaxy smartphone. And it's the fastest Snapdragon ever. The newly designed CPU microarchitecture boosts the processing abilities of the Galaxy S23 series by about 30% compared to last year. And this year, the most significant improvement is the optimized GPU, which is approximately 41% faster and designed for power users.
With the Galaxy S23 series, you'll experience stronger performance across CPU, NPU, and GPU for faster and smoother gameplay, with optimized frames per second to provide our most powerful gaming experience yet. The entire Galaxy S23 series, Base Plus and Ultra, now features screens with a peak brightness of 1750 nits. The Galaxy S23 series will come with One UI 5.1, and we're excited to announce that One UI 5.1 will be rolling out to more Galaxy devices soon. With Nightography, a high-res camera, and powerful performance, the Galaxy S23 series delivers our most advanced mobile experience yet. Galaxy S23 series will be available for pre-order starting today. Pricing starts at $799, with the S23 Plus at $999, and the S23 Ultra at $1,199. The S22 will be available in the US starting at $699.
Thank you so much for being part of this Unpacked. I will see you again soon.